It's finally here. My new Astro box thing. Funny enough, I missed them, but I went to the store and I ran into the postman. And he was like, "Hey, I got your package. I recognize your van." And then I said, "Funny enough, this is a model of such vehicle right now." Dun, dun, dun. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh man, that's sick. Look at this shit. Look at this. We're gonna open it. We're gonna open it right now. I will be hand painting this van to be like my van, because it's a cargo. Oh man, I've been excited for this for months. Where is it? This tape? No tape. Oh, okay. And I even get a little background. Cute. That's cute. If it stops falling over, it'll just fall over. That's okay. We don't need the background. But I do want to take a look at the guy. Look at that. Look at that little guy. Yeah. That's awesome. Let's put it on the little shelf here so you can get a look at it. Look at that. Look at that. Blue on the inside, just like mine. I'm super excited about that. I'm going to be taking some pictures of it normal first before I paint it. But, man, look at that. That's a 1 in 64 scale. That's insane. This is awesome. I love this little guy. I am so happy it finally came. And there he is. There he is, Astro, in his natural habitat, a parking lot. Okay, we're gonna do part 2, because I got a better angle now for showing it off. And this thing is so fucking cool. I love it. This is awesome. I'll just put that there and put you here. Put that in frame. They even give me a freaking background. That's just awesome. What the fuck? It doesn't have to be perfect. Yeah. You're right, but yeah. Oh yeah, I don't know. Freaking fling them out. Yes. This is awesome. So now I can give a much closer look at it, and like, damn dude, this is sick. I have another one of their models, but I really like this one, and I am going to be painting it in the future because I have a van and it's like this one. It's cargo, blue interior and everything, which, man, just look at that. Look at that detail. Look at that. That's impressive. And not to mention, we get some cute little figurines and stuff. I don't actually have to take them out, but like, since it's supposed to be for a swap meet, hey, you stay in there. You get a little table with some wire spool. Some people checking it out, the person who owns it. we got a lady checking out some stuff, and we got these little coats, and they actually have little hangers, and you can hang it up on that little thing. I think that's pretty awesome. Oh no!
I wanted to save you, Frieza, but you wouldn't let me.
Alright, I finally got it all together. The little feet platforms are a giant pain in the ass, but look at how fucking cute this is, man. Oh yeah. Oh, I love this. Good job, TomyTec.